So hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna create a domain controller. This domain controller it's okay. This domain controller it's on Azure, it's a virtual machine, and it's a brand new domain controller. I hope guys you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. It's the way you have to support my work, and it'll be very appreciated. So to do this, I'm gonna go to Server Manager on the server. We're gonna manage here and add roles and features. So here we're gonna do next. It's a role-based feature installation. Because it's a brand new, we're gonna do on this server, of course. And here we have to identify what is the role that we're gonna install. So you're gonna do an active domain direction domain service. Here it's pretty, we don't need nothing more. It's just this. Here we want to install don't need to install nothing. And yeah, it's pretty much it's a very this is because it's on other direction, so you don't need this. Okay, that can restart automatically because it's a very simple installation. I will come back to you later after the restart. Okay, so after the installation finish, you have the ADDS here installed and it's green. Now you have this symbol on the notifications is for you to do the rest of the configurations. So we're gonna click here. As this is a brand new domain controller, we're gonna do a new florist. If you had already a domain controller or an existing domain, you have to choose the first options. Here we're gonna do um, it doesn't matter. You're gonna put always the dot local, and then next. This is a local domain. You can choose whatever name you want. Doesn't matter. The domain numbers. This is gonna create a DNS for this domain as well because it's something that there is a requirement. So this is it doesn't here it doesn't matter because you only have this server, the 2016. When you have older florists on your network, maybe you need to understand this better. So now is the password for restoring. This is not needed. It's gonna do automatically choose a name for you. There you go. Now it's gonna do path. Path is always automatically as well. It's a brand new. You just have to do next, next, next. Okay, it's okay. This is warnings. You can solve these issues, but it's not impossible to create and follow to the end with this. So I can ignore it. I will install it. Let me pause the video and I come back to you later. So after restart, you still need to enter with the local password, and after that you will have the Active Directory Administrator Center and domain trusts, PowerShell sites, and user and computers. In user and computers, we have our users. You see, this is the administrator. Okay. Gonna put oh, gonna apply. Okay. And now you're gonna try to log in with that user. So let me log out, sign out. Let's connect. And here we're gonna do Microsoft account, João. It's good. The password. Okay. And it have enter, no problem. Okay. And the domain controller, it's created. Thanks guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.